Krita Blend Brush. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because blending colors smoothly is a fundamental skill in digital painting, especially in Krita. Beginners often struggle with harsh edges and want to create soft transitions for skin, lighting, or backgrounds. Open Krita and begin by clicking File then New to create a new canvas for your artwork. After that, open the Brush Presets docker so you can access different brushes. In the search bar, type Blend or Blender to find suitable tools for smooth color mixing. Choose a preset such as Basic Blender or Smudge Soft, then select the brush tool to start painting. Pick two colors on your canvas and paint them side by side so you have a clear edge to blend. Now use the blender brush and gently stroke over the edge between the colors. Move back and forth slowly so the colors begin mixing smoothly. If the blending effect feels too strong, press F5 to open the brush settings panel. Lower the opacity and reduce the flow to gain better control. Then adjust the smudge length and set it to a lower value for a softer blend. While blending, try using circular motions for smoother transitions or short strokes for more precise control. Between strokes, use the color picker to sample intermediate colors, which helps improve transitions and keeps the blend natural. You can also switch to the Smudge Tool, found in the toolbar, and drag across the colors to mix them directly. Combining the brush and smudge techniques often gives the best results, but avoid overblending because it can make the image look muddy. Occasionally zoom out to check the overall result and ensure the transition looks smooth at a distance. When you are satisfied with the final appearance, save your artwork to preserve your progress and keep a clean version for future edits or sharing with others. To further refine your technique, repeat the blending process on different color combinations and experiment with pressure sensitivity if you are using a tablet. Light pressure creates softer blends, while heavier pressure produces stronger mixing.